Welcome to Ugandan Kitchen in yet another video. Today's recipe is about crunchy chickpeas. This is a snack that is healthy. It is full of fiber, iron, and magnesium, and it is super nice and crunchy. So if you are someone who's trying to monitor your weight, someone who's trying to do clean eating, healthy, this is definitely a recipe for you. So start by sorting your chickpeas. These are like peanuts, peas, beans. The same way we prepare them is the same way we are doing the chickpeas. Start by sorting them out, then soak them in water, because like you can see here they are dry. So we are going to soak them in water for like 12 hours. I tend to soak them at night and prepare the chickpeas the following morning. Also, it is from chickpeas that we get the gram flour or besan flour, which we use on coatings and also for making bagia. All these recipes are on my channel. Kindly check them out. So the next morning, like you can see, the chickpeas have already soaked very well, just like we do peas or beans before cooking them, the dry beans and dry peas. So here we transfer them to clean water and then cook until they are soft. The time may differ depending on what you are using to cook. If you are using a pressure cooker, time may definitely differ. Once they are soft, drain out the water and then spray them on a kitchen towel or paper towel and let them cool or dry until they are all dry, and then we are going to move on to our next step. Meanwhile, kindly help me subscribe. That is my channel, Ugandan Kitchen. Once you get there, click on the bell. That means you have subscribed. Then click on the bell again and turn on your notification. With notification, click on all notifications such that you get to be notified whenever I post a new video. Kindly help me put a thumbs up whenever you watch a video, and also leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about my recipes. Let me know what you would love to see on my channel. This helps me to grow and helps me to better my channel and my content. Thanks. So now that the chickpeas is all dry, preheat your oven at 200 degrees Celsius. Then line them on a baking tray lined with the parchment paper, like you can see. You can as well decide to peel off the skin. It is okay, but it takes a lot of time, so I decided to forego that. I then sprinkled a little bit of corn flour or cornstarch, whichever you call it. That is how it looks like. It goes 4 to 5k. If you are in Uganda, you can get it in any supermarket and I think markets. So yeah, I used around 2 to 3 teaspoons, and then mix all that up. Then use any vegetable oil and drizzle a little bit as well. Mix and spray them well on the parchment paper. We tend to use corn flour or cornstarch whenever we are aiming at getting something crispy and crunchy, like you can see in these chickpeas. So once you are done spreading them, we are going to bake for the first 8 to 10 minutes and then take them out of the oven and mix them up and then put them back. So we are going to be doing this in like 2 to 3 phases. So the first 10 minutes, when they are done, you remove and then mix like you can see there in the video. Then put back in the oven and bake for 10 minutes again. So once the 10 minutes are done, for the second time, we are going to salt the chickpeas. At this rate, you can add your desired spice that you would love to taste with the chickpeas at this stage. But I added mine in the third time, on the third time after baking for the second time. So once you are done, place them back into the oven and let them bake. Keep an eye on them so that they do not get burnt. Then for the third time, this is the second time in the oven. So for this second time, it is when I'm going to add my spices. I used garam masala, but you can use any other spice of your choice. It can be paprika, it can be chili, it can be barbecue, it can be lemon and chili. So whichever you choose to whichever flavor or seasoning you choose to add onto these chickpeas. It can be cinnamon and sugar, whichever works for you is just fine. Then press them back into the oven and bake for 5 to 8 minutes. Keep an eye on them, especially at the last time, because they can definitely go black and they can get burnt within no time. So you have to be careful once they are done. Allow them to cool and then you can store them in an airtight container for around a month. Yeah, you can enjoy these with your family and friends. This can as well be a small business. Once they are done here, you can package them and then yeah, they are rich in plant proteins for a parent who's monitoring what your kids eat, who is on a health diet and you are trying to do clean eating, then this is definitely a recipe for you. Let me know what you think about my recipes in the comment section. Until next time, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe.